Hi, I'm Alan. I'm 61 years old, married with 2 kids and 2 stepkids. Up until probably maybe 2 years ago, I probably wasn't that conscious about my health. And it was at that time that I was sent the bowel cancer screening kit. And I was very surprised to find that I had a tumour in my bowel because I hadn't had any symptoms. My health was fine, my appetite was fine. Within 3 weeks of having the colonoscopy, I was in hospital having the tumour removed. I had a lot of people come and visit me in hospital, and a lot of them are my age, a lot of them are late 50s, early 60s. Everybody that I spoke to, I followed up and made sure that they used the kit because early detection, in my case, was so important. Using the kit and getting a positive result enabled me to have the colonoscopy quite quickly and then the surgery quite quickly. And the very good news I got when I was still in hospital was that I didn't have to have chemotherapy or radiotherapy because they'd got it early and it hadn't spread beyond the bowel walls. Bowel cancer is one of those cancers that if you catch it early, they say it's a good one to get, but if you get it too late, it does, it spreads to other organs and can actually be one of the worst cancers. Looking forward to the future. I'm going over to visit my older son in Amsterdam in a couple of weeks. Yeah, a lot to look forward to.